mile per gallon. Did you see that? And I'm going 30 miles per hour.
How dare you?
I'm gonna give you guys a tire update here in a second. Yeah, V10. Watch this. This is gonna be funny. Check this out. See the instantaneous fuel economy? These V10s don't like stop and go traffic. Watch this. Watch my instantaneous. I'm not even gonna floor it. Let these guys pass. I'm gonna go like half throttle. One mile per gallon. Did you see that? And I'm going 30 miles per hour. Did you see that 1 mile per gallon? My Z06 gets better fuel economy accelerating to 130 than this does accelerating to 30.
How dare you?
So tire update. I got my refund from tirebuyer.com. I will not go with that company again. I went with Evan tires. So I was gonna go with Ironman tires. They came out to $733 shipped, and it would have cost another $125 to get them installed if they had delivered them to the proper tire store, but they lost them. So $733 plus $125, that's $850, I believe. So now I ordered Patagonia ATR tires for my van, and they're going to Evans Tires, and they should be here Monday. Hopefully they'll be here before I go to work so I could get them in Monday. 3 miles per gallon. So yeah, hopefully they get in by Monday so I could get them installed on my van Monday. If not, I'll do it Wednesday. I'm gonna hit the gym Tuesday. Gym's important, but hopefully by Wednesday I have them in, and then I believe I'm going to Slab City Saturday. So there you go. There's a tire update, and these vans don't like stop and go traffic. Watch this. Okay, see the MPG? It's pretty horrible. Who wants a van? I see 2 extended vans for sale. This person's taking forever because they're looking at the vans too. They see my van behind them and the van's off to, oh, they have more. Nice, that's selling vans. I should stop by and check them out. But yeah, that person in front of me was like, man, I need a van, like that guy behind me.